Hi, Steve here. Thank you for joining me on the Panoramic Travels YouTube channel. Today I just want to make a quick video about something that's been an ongoing problem for us. All of the panoramic window shades work great, except the one on the sliding door window. The original one broke, and Panoramic sent us a replacement under warranty, no charge, and that's this one. This one broke also. So today I'm going to show you my more permanent solution. So I'm going to remove this shade. There's just a couple of screws at the bottom, and then this comes out of this track, and then there's going to be 3 mounting brackets that I'll remove. Then I'll install my new window shade. And the way you remove this shade is you just rotate and snap it out. So once you snap it out of the 3 mounting brackets, you can remove the shade, and then you can remove the 3 mounting brackets. This is my replacement sliding door window shade. It's made by VanEssential, the same company that we purchased the front cab windows and windshield shades. And then the VanEssential's shade opens up. Find the VanEssential, that's going to go at the bottom. And then magnets hold it in place to the steel frame. And there it is, covering the window. And then you can also bring this up. And bring that up so you can get a partial view. Or you can fold it up again. And there are these Velcro straps that hold it in place. And we'll probably just leave this up here like this all the time and not necessarily store it away. And then finally, I'll find some white tape to cover up these screw holes. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.